Hello guys, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like Itube AJ tutorials. Let's go.
You enter your video in the timeline.
Where am I going now? Just falling over dreams.
Select the part of the video you want to affect. Ctrl plus Shift plus D.
Fading from belief. I need to slow this down. It's burning from beneath. Come break this light. It falls in my eyes. Holding on for what it's worth.
Good. Right-click on the part we want to affect. Then go to Time and then open Time Stretch. Now set the stretch factor to 20. Put the video parts together by holding the Shift. Good. Now apply the CC Force motion blur effect to the part of the video where we made the changes. Then, from the effect settings, set the motion blur samples to 200. And then, for example, we set the effect to 1300. Thanks for watching. Please click the like and subscribe button to support me.